You're not that even.
Well, I'm better than not.
Well done. Just gonna feel a little bit of pressure. Okay, lay back for me.
Yeah, your eyes. Good water. Oh yeah. That's the first thing I was warned about.
Is my makeup running?
This is being recorded, buddy.
I don't care.
Just letting you know.
Do I look hot with the needle hanging out of my nose? Can I just leave it like this?
Yeah.
Do you love just having a needle sticking out of your nose?
Let's keep it that way.
What are you doing?
Fucking with your head?
So that way when I watch it I get nauseous, right?
Pretty much. So you're like,